Good morning, class! Everybody rise up for our prayer. Yes, Ina, can you lead our prayer? Amen. Before you take your seats, kindly arrange your chairs and pick up a piece of grass under your chairs. If done, you may now take your seats. Okay. Is anyone absent today? Well, I will check your attendance first. Ina, Daniel. Okay, very good. It's so nice to see you that you are all present. It means that we will learn together today. How are you today, class? It's nice to hear you that you are all in good mood today. Since today is Monday, who among you can still remember our lesson last Friday? Yes, Ina, what is our lesson last Friday? Very good. Motion of the earth, rotation, and revolution. And now, what is rotation? Yes, Mike. Is that right, class? Yes, it is. Rotation is a movement of the earth on its axis. Now, class, before we start our lesson, I prepare a song for you. I will sing it first, and then we will sing it together. Am I clear, class? Very good. So the song goes like this. There are 8 planets around the sun. Come on, let's sing them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. They are all spinning, spinning around. Spinning make me busy, but it's so much fun. Come and fly with me to the outer space in a rocket ship when we'll be safe. Okay? Now, everybody sing. We will sing it together in 3, 2, 1. Now, what is the song is all about? Yes, very good. The song is all about the planets. Now, what do you think, class, is our lesson for today? Excellent! Our lesson for today is about the planet and the solar system. Okay, the planet and the solar system. And now, I want you to close your eyes because I will bring you to the outer space. In 3, 2, 1, open your eyes. What do you see, class? Yes, it is. This is a solar system. Now, what can you see about the solar system? Ina, can you describe what are in the solar system? Yes, there is a star. Yes, it's so many stars. Correct. Another. There is a sun. Very good. Is there any that you can see in the solar system? Precisely. There are planets. Now, Daniel, can you point out where is the location of the sun? Is this the sun? No, it's not. Is this the sun, Daniel? Yes, it is. Precisely, this is the sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. And revolving around the sun are the planets. Now, class, we will count how many planets are revolving around the sun. Okay, everybody? We will count the planet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see another planet? No. Now, how many planets are there in the solar system? Precisely, there are 8 planets in the solar system. And these 8 planets are divided into 2 categories based on their composition. Now, do you have any idea what are those 2 categories? And that will be our lesson to discover today. The 8 planets are divided into 2 categories based on their composition. And the first one is... Okay, everybody read? Yes, terrestrial planet. These terrestrial planets are those planets that has solid surface, rocky in composition, and most of all, they are relatively small. Okay? Again, what are the terrestrial planet? Oh, very good. Those planet that has solid surface, rocky in composition, and relatively small. Okay, good job. Now let's proceed to the second classification of planet. Okay, again, everybody read. Okay, everybody? Yes, Jovian planets. These Jovian planets are those planets that has no solid surface. They are giant planet, a large ball of gas, and made up of hydrogen and helium. So again, what are the characteristics of Jovian planet? Yes, Daniel? Yes, large ball of gas. Yes, made up of hydrogen and helium, and no solid surface. Very good. Now, I want you to listen carefully and understand what I say. Okay? Okay, take a look on this picture, class. Have you seen? Great. So this is the image of Mercury. Mercury is the first planet in the solar system. It is made up of 70% of metal and 30% of silicate. So, where does Mercury belong in the category? Very good! Mercury belongs to terrestrial planet. Okay, now let's proceed to the second planet in the solar system. Everybody read? Venus is the second planet and the hottest planet in the solar system. And Venus is made up of, yes, central iron core and rocky mantle. So therefore, Venus has solid surface. Now, because Venus has rocky surface, where can we classify Venus? Very good. Venus is a terrestrial planet because it has a solid composition. Okay, let's proceed to... Yes, we will proceed to Earth. Earth is the third planet and Earth is where we live today. Now, as you can see in our surroundings, where can Earth be classified? Correct! Earth is a terrestrial planet because it is made up of solid composition. Very good. Now, let's proceed to Mars, the fourth planet and also known as the red planet because of its rusty ground and iron that made up his color red. Now, as you can see, where can we classify Mars? Good, Mars also is a terrestrial planet because of its solid composition. Okay, now let's proceed to the fifth planet in the solar system. Everybody, Jupiter. Jupiter is a large ball of gas and also the largest planet in the solar system. In Jupiter, there is no solid surface. So now class, based on its composition, where does Jupiter belong? Correct! Jupiter is a Jovian planet. Okay. Okay, now let's proceed to the sixth planet in the solar system. Saturn. Everybody? Saturn. Good. Saturn is also known as the ring planet. And it is primarily made up of hydrogen and gas. And based on their composition, where does Saturn be classified? Very good. Saturn is a Jovian planet. Let's proceed to the seventh planet in the solar system, the Uranus. Okay, now Uranus is the coldest and also it is made up of water, ammonia, and methane. Now, Uranus is color blue due to its methane composition. And Uranus has no solid surface. So therefore, where can be classified Uranus? Yes, it is in Jovian planet. Now we will place it in Jovian planet. And lastly, everybody, Neptune. Neptune is also blue in color. Like Uranus, Neptune is made up of thick water, ammonia, and methane. So, also, Neptune has no solid surface. So, where does Neptune be classified? Yes, very good. Neptune is a Jovian planet. Okay. Now, class, based on the two classification of planets, what do you observe? Yes, Ina, what do you observe? Very good. The terrestrial planet are those planets nearest from the sun. And the Jovian planet are those planets farthest from the sun. Okay. Now, I want everybody to read the terrestrial planet. Good. Next, the Jovian planet. Okay, clap your hands, everybody. This time, you are going to make yourself into 8 groups. And each group will create a model of a planet that assigned to the group. Choose one member to present in front of your classmates. Did you understand, class? Good. And your materials will be provided. And this is your rubrics. Okay? Go to your group now. Group 1. Please come in front and present your output. Good. Next, group 2. Okay, good job. Next, group 3. And now, thank you for your cooperation, class. What are the 8 planets in the solar system? Excellent. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Another. What are the 2 classification of planets based on their composition? Yes, Daniel. Terrestrial planet and Jovian planet. Good. Now, class, I want you to get 1/2 sheet of paper and answer this question. Read the instruction carefully before answering. And for your assignment, I want you to make a concept map and a short bond paper about the solar system with its relatively distance and sizes. Did I make it clear, class? Good. Now, so much for the lesson for today, and I hope that you learned something. Goodbye, class.